Her body usually follows a regular monthly cycle, predictable and consistent. But this time, something feels different. Her period is late. What's actually happening inside her body? After fertilization, a tiny cell begins its journey and attaches to the wall of the uterus. This process is called implantation, and it marks the beginning of pregnancy. As soon as implantation happens, the body starts producing a special hormone called HCG, human chorionic gonadotropin. This hormone enters the bloodstream and becomes the key signal that something new has begun. Now here's where detection starts. Pregnancy test kits are designed to detect this HCG hormone. When present, it reacts with the test strip and forms two visible lines, indicating a positive result. But here's the important part. A test alone is not the final confirmation. Doctors use ultrasound imaging to actually visualize the gestational sac inside the uterus. And that's when it becomes real. Pregnancy is confirmed, and a new life has officially begun.